To respectable audience, my question is 14 divided by 2 times 7. 14 is simple. 14, either it may be written as out of parentheses, it is single value, it is 14, divided by 2 times 7, it will be 14. So 14 divided by 14 will be equal to 1, which will be our answer, but that is our mistake because it is not according to order of operation. So we have to solve it again. It is 14, which can be written as out of parentheses because it is single value, divided by 2 times 7. Now, if you look a rule, which is PEMDAS rule or DMAS rule or BODMAS rule, first of all parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division. Both have same priority, but we have to move from left to right. So division is at left. So first of all, we have to handle this division. So 14 divided by 2 will be solved. First, it will become 7 times 7 as it is. So 7 times 7 will be equal to 49. The first case in which our answer was 1, which was wrong because we have not followed the order of operation. And remember that we have to move from left to right to get a correct answer, which is 49. Thank you for watching my channel.